It was a pleasant day. A camel went to a pasture to graze. Meanwhile, a little mouse also appeared. As he saw the camel, he held the reins of the camel and began to feel proud of being his master. According to his nature, the camel kept on walking peacefully beside the mouse. Seeing the camel's obedience, the mouse got more proud. In his pride, he declared himself a hero. As the camel saw his pride, he decided to teach him a lesson. After some time, the camel and the mouse reached on the bank of a river. The river was very wide, and even it was difficult for an elephant to cross it easily. The mouse began to think that what should he do now? The camel asked, "Why are you standing here? You are a hero and my master. Now face the situation courageously and dive into the water." The mouse replied, "Dear friend, it is a very wide and deep sea. I really fear to sink." The camel said, "Wait for a while and let me estimate the depth of the water." Saying this, he put his foot into the water and said, "Foolish fellow, the water is just touching my knees. Don't worry and come inside." The mouse replied, "Dear camel, the things which seem minute to you seem very huge to me. The water which is touching your knees will be crossing my head." Now the camel said to teach him a lesson. If it is really so, then leave the pride and do not try to be superior. Do remember that you can only deal with the mice of your size, not with the huge camels. The mouse felt ashamed to hear it. He requested the camel to help him to cross the river. The camel felt sympathy for the mouse and so told him to sit on his back. He told the mouse that many large animals cross this river sitting on his back. So, the moral of the story is that the camel taught the lesson to the mouse that those who try to copy those who have no match with them are ruined. One must challenge according to one's qualities, otherwise, it leads one to embarrassment.